Looking for inspiration. We need some inspiration. So what I decided to do, because lucky enough I have a garden, was to do garden picture of the day. And so this is the first one, which was done on March 24th. Now these pictures are some good, some not so good, some indifferent. It just meant that every day I would get out with my camera and take some pictures. Lucky enough it's spring, and so everything was starting to grow. But you can still do this even if you're indoors. You can choose to do a picture every day. And what this does is to concentrate the mind. It means that you learn more about your camera. It means you learn all it means you learn all the adjustments on your camera. It means that you get used to using your camera. You use all the ins and outs, and you get very familiar with it. And also it means that your composition is improved, because when you go out and you need to make a photograph that day, then you need a good composition. You need to get the composition, you need to refine it, and that all really goes together for improving your photography and giving you inspiration. And so taking a picture every day concentrates the mind and makes you go out and search for compositions. And so it's an improvement. So you've been seeing all the pictures that I've been taking. This is all on my Instagram account down here somewhere, and mostly we've got a lot of macro shots, and I was into macro before, so that sort of played quite well. So you can do the same at home. Get yourself some extension tubes. I'm sure that you can still get them from Amazon. They fit on your camera, behind your lens, and allow you to take macro shots. And so most of them are macro, not all of them. Some are close up. So yeah, on the 5th of April, I took this picture, which I'm quite pleased with. And I do a little bit of work in the computer, but this one seemed to strike me as quite nice. So as we go on, you know, we're sort of taking pictures of everything that's starting to emerge, and so it's pretty much different every day. And then we come to Easter, and couldn't resist on taking my wife's cross stitch and wishing everybody a happy Easter for my garden picture of the day. We then go on to take pictures of other things, mainly flowers. Then there was a rainy day, and I thought this made quite a nice composition. Wasn't macro at all, and showed that it had been raining. So on the 15th of April, we've got this vibrant little plant, which I quite like. And there may be a lot of pictures that you like maybe, or don't like. But it's the discipline of getting out every day, taking a picture. And I would urge everyone to go out and do that. Of course, we've got the blackbirds running about this time of year, and there seems to be loads about this year. And I couldn't resist but take a picture of a blackbird. The ants are on the peony feeding off the nectar that the buds give off, and once the flower comes out, it stops giving off this nectar, so the ants go away. So I'm quite pleased with this one and this ant. We don't get a lot of, we haven't had a lot of butterflies or anything, but this butterfly came and I managed to get a picture of it. But this year there doesn't seem to many, it is only April, there isn't many butterflies about in our garden. And of course all the blossoms out, and so everything, buds are sort of bursting, and the French lavender's come out. And then we had another rainy day, and I took this one of the fern, which is very unusual, and this is a stacked image, and it's very unusual, and looks very different from what you would normally see. And of course the strawberries have started to come out, and yeah, so looking forward to them later on in the summer. So there is more to come, and every day I'm going to be doing this, and as I say, that channel is mainly for macro, and my other Instagram, which is Smick Photo. Thanks for watching. It's been a little while, but intermittent for me uploading videos to this channel, and hope you enjoyed it. And leave a comment down below, let us know how you are, and post your Instagram accounts, and let me see some of your pictures. It would be interesting, and might give some inspiration to other people. So stay inspired, be safe, see you next time.